Who?
There's Taylor, Lily, a bee. A bee. That's a bee.
Blue bottle.
Blue bottle?
No.
Okay. You want to eat mine?
No.
Okay.
Eat your
It's strawberry.
show.
I don't like blue bottle, do you?
Blue bottles, they're just flies. Just flies that look like bees. Aren't they?
Do they clean your teeth?
No. Clean your teeth. That's actually a bee. That is
A bee?
yeah.
Oh no. Just move. Move. God. It's lucky I have my jacket on because it won't even scare me.
Huh?
You're lucky because you have that on. And I'm lucky because I have this on. I hope he won't think we're flowers. Claire, what you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Eating cupcakes.
They're delicious.
Delicious and nutritious.
I'm not. She's just picking off the cream. She's not even eating the cupcake.
Yum!
You're just eating the cream.
Do you know you two are cousins?
Hmm?
Yay!
Did you know you were cousins, Dylan?
Yeah.
I didn't.
You got some cupcake on your mouth there, guys.